Hello everyone, today we're going to learn the second part for the Asomen hymn. And if you remember in the last video we learned the first part, and I color-coded each language. So the first one if you remember from last video, it was Greek, then Coptic, and then the English, and then the Arabic. So first I'm going to go through the whole hymn first, and then I'm going to go through each language individually. So let's start. Tos Theo ectisas yes ina tonu ranon ketengin anel thonies ranos exiton Parakliton tu ebnevamatis eli theies. Amin. Alleluia. Pentafer pisnaven Awayetefai petfenemebkahi Aveshenaf ebshoye Nifiowi af orpenanem piparakliton Tu ebnevama enteti methmi. Amin. Alleluia. He made the two into one, that is heaven and earth. He ascended into the heavens and sent to us the Paraclete, the Spirit of truth, the Comforter. Amin. Alleluia. قال الاثنين واحدا أي السماء والأرض صعد إلى أعلى السماوات وأرسل لنا البراكليت روح الحق المعزي. آمين. Alleluia. Okay, let's go through each one individually. So let's start off with the Greek. Tos Theo ectisas yes ina. So if you remember from last video, there's the three pattern here. And one thing to remember, it's not zeo, it's veo. So it has the same sound as the English the. So it is not zeo. Okay? So let's try it. Tos Theo ectisas yes ina. Pretty high. Tos Theo ectisas yes ina. Tonu ranon ketengin. One more time. Tos Theo ectisas yes ina. Tonu ranon ketengin. And the ending is the exact same as the previous Greek verse. Anelthonies uranos axi ton parakleton to ebnevamatis ali theias. Amin. Alleluia. Okay, let's move on to the Coptic. Bentaf bisnaven owai. Again, the 3. So this 3 pattern is very common throughout the whole hymn. And right before the 3, there's always a very high note. So listen again. Bentafer bisnaven owai. One more time. Bentafer bisnaven owai. Etefai beetfe. Etefai beetfe neme bekahi. Bentafer bisnaven owai. Etefai beetfe neme bekahi. The 3 here once again. Then the ending once again is the same. Af shen af ebeshoye nifi owi af orpenanem pi parakliton piem nevama enteti methmi. Amin. Alleluia. Okay, let's move on to the English one. He made the 2 into 1. So the into separates into the in part and the 2. He made the 2 into 1. The 3 pattern here. Let's do it in green. He made the 2 into 1. One more time and we'll move on. He made the 2 into 1. That is heaven and earth. So if you noticed, we spend a little bit more time here and here. So listen. He made the 2 into 1. That is heaven and earth. One more time and we'll say it with the refrain, He ascended. And let's use red for this time. He made the 2 into 1. That is heaven and earth. He ascended into the heavens and sent to us the Paraclete, the Spirit of truth, the Comforter. Amen. Alleluia. Okay, so now let's move on to the Arabic one. جعل الإثنين. So ithnain, which means 2, it's split into 3 parts. Ithnai and then ni. جعل الإثنين واحدا. the 3 pattern here again. قال الاثنين واحدا أي السماء والأرض. جعل الاثنين واحدا أي السماء والأرض. So if you wanna, I'll draw it out here so you can visualize it. For I, here. So the SA part is pretty high pitch. Let's do this again. And then the MAS comes up here. And then one. So ard comes down here. So look. جعل الاثنين واحدا أي السماء والأرض. And the refrain is the same, but let's practice the Arabic one more time. جعل الاثنين واحدا أي السماء والأرض صاعدا إلى أعلى السماوات وأرسل لنا البراكليت روح الحق المؤسي. آمين. Alleluia. And there should be an L here. So let's practice that one more time. The Arabic one. جعل الاثنين واحدا أي السماء والأرض صاعدا إلى أعلى السماوات وأرسل لنا البراكليت روح الحق المؤسي. آمين. Alleluia. So that is the second part out of the 5 for the hymn Asomen.